do a once over with everything, and then I'll probably myself come back in on Saturday and just do a little bit of cleaning and stuff. If you're wondering what kind of equipment I've got the old Bane Clean system in this van here. We got 120 gallons of hot water, temperature gauge hid up back behind that hose, tells me what the temperature is, pressure gauge. You'll hear a lot of people say that they don't have a whole lot of power, and they don't. They're not going to suck your carpet one down on the carpet, and you have to use a pry bar to get it up. But it has a sufficient enough of power to get the carpets clean and drying quick. This tank down here on below is a 120 gallon nasty water tank. I may do a quick video on dumping the water. I know a lot of people seem to love seeing the dirty water. So I don't really like seeing it, but I know the machine's working, so we'll get back to the shop, get it in there, and come back tomorrow and make sure this tank right here holds hot water. So it has a heater on it back there in the corner. It'll raise that temperature of the water up to 200 degrees, and I've been out all day and it's pretty much still at 200. So been doing me justice. It's got, I don't know, 2,000 hours on it or something like that. Minor repairs. Keep it clean, keep it lubed, and it does just fine. So, being my battery's about going, I am going to close out. This is Don with Olmec Reflections. We're here in Hamilton, Ohio, doing an apartment complex, 2-bedroom apartment. So we got it cleaned up. I'm going to go ahead and pack up the rest of the stuff and close out for the day. So see ya. If you need to contact us, you're in the local area, Cincinnati, Mason, Liberty Township, Westchester, give us a call, 513-817-1700. Olmec Reflections. You can find us on all the social media platforms, Facebook, website, Instagram, YouTube, all that stuff. So give us a look, give us a call. We'll take care of your carpet cleaning needs. Thank you.